So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle content. If you like more of these videos, kindly please subscribe down below and turn on your bells so you don't miss any of my tips and tricks and hacks on everything lifestyle. So today's video we are going to do another week. So far we have done 2 weeks and this is the third week that we are going to do. So I'll be sure to leave a link of the 2 weeks down at the description box. Kindly check that out and learn a few things on how to make yourself a week and not break your bank while you want to look fabulous. So let's introduce you to the things that you're going to need today. You're going to need a wig cap. So this is a wig cap and this is how it looks like. It doesn't have a closure at the front, so it's just a black wig cap. Has these two like drawstrings at the back, so you just clip them when you're done with your wig. So this is how it looks like. We are going to need some scissors. We are going to need a needle. So this is the needle, a curved needle. We are going to need some thread. So this is just my normal sewing thread. And last but not least, we are going to need the wig that we are going to sew. So this is the wig. It's from Angel. It's called Everest. It's on number 1. That is how it looks like. So let's get this video going.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So we have sewn around as closely as to where our parting we want it to be. So that is why I put the foundation there. So we went just around it. So when this side flips this side, there will be no weft being formed over here. So we are going to do yet another one because I left a bit of space here. So you're going to do another round weft here so that we have a natural look. So let's do that and come back. So we have sewn with our wefts facing each other, and then right about, so these are our 2 wefts. So this is how our wig is going to lay, this side, this side, this side. So once you reach almost the point where you want to join this weft over here, you just need to turn your wig kidogo for it to face the other way, so that we have also the wefts facing each other. So we are going to see right over there as closely as to our parting as possible. So the wefts will be facing each other because this part will be going this other side. So we don't want our wefts to be exposed. So we are going to have our wefts facing each other, both sides, that is. So the trick is you have to turn your wig, you have to turn your weave from a focal point here, or you can actually cut it. But I don't want to cut it because I want it to be a continuous wig. So I'm going to just have it turned kidogo, then just sew it. So let's do that part bit. So we are done with sewing the closure, and you can see we have a natural opening right there. So you're going to continue sewing the wig all around. So this part is done. So you're going to do sewing the rest of the weaves around our wig cap.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So we're done sewing our wig, and this is how it looks like. So this is the front where we did our cutting, right there. So there's a little bit of foundation there, and that is the construction of the wig. And inside the wig cap, that is how it looks like. So you can't actually see the tracks of the wig, which is pretty good. And something else about the wig, I cut it short. So there were parts that were long like this one, I cut them, and did them to my sizing. So yeah, we're pretty excited with how the wig turned out. So this is our side parting, it's not a middle parting. So that is how it looks like. So let's put it on. So this is a synthetic wig. So it's very plastic, if I should say. So that is how it looks like. So you can start trimming these parts. So I want this part to be a bit longer, so that's why I'm not going to trim it very much, and this part a little bit shorter, so that it gets it has a bit of structure. So I like how bulk the wig turned out to be. I'm pretty impressed. This is the third wig and so far so good. So it took me about 3 hours doing this wig because I was juggling and between other stuff. So yeah. So thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time, bye.